Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll work on softening our harsh inner voice and learn to grow from the criticism we receive. Find a quiet place for your practice today. For this practice, you can sit on a chair or cushion, or if you prefer, you can also choose to lie down. Adjust your position so that you can remain alert and awake without creating tension. Now gently close your eyes, soften your shoulders, and settle in. Notice the places where your body touches the surface beneath you, and give yourself permission to relax. Take a few deep, expansive breaths. Generous inhales. Soft, slow exhales. Now, allow your breathing to settle into an easy, instinctive rhythm. And notice the sensations of your breath as it moves in and out of your body. And now, gently turn your attention to your body. Notice your head and face and begin to soften any holding or gripping. Relax your forehead, your temples. Release the tiny muscles of your eyelids. Let your eyes soften and surrender inside your eye sockets. Melt any tension around your mouth, softening your jaw and allowing the biting surfaces of your teeth to gently part. And feel this sense of relaxation moving down into your neck and into your shoulders. And with the next few exhales, imagine the muscles of your face, neck, and shoulders sighing and releasing completely. And follow this relaxation into your arms. Let your arms and hands rest as effortlessly as possible. softening fully all the way through your face, your neck, your shoulders, all the way to your fingertips. And now feel into your chest. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let your lungs and ribs fully soften and relax. Dissolve any tension in your belly. And use your breath to melt away tightness in your back. Your whole torso is relaxing deeply as you feel that wave of ease from your head, through your neck, shoulders, arms, and upper body. And now, soften your hips and your pelvis. Relaxing the muscles here, let go of any sense of holding or gripping. And send a wave of ease down your legs. Softening your thighs, knees, calves, and ankles. Feel your feet surrendering fully. Even the skin widens and releases. Bring deep surrendering from your face down to your neck and shoulders, your arms, your whole torso, hips, legs, all the way to the tips of your toes. And for the next few moments, rest in deep awareness and relaxation, noticing your body surrendering. Now gently widen your attention. Receiving criticism isn't easy, even when there's a good reason for it. As soon as we hear it, we tend to jump into defensive mode, feeling hurt and easily turning towards harsh self-judgment. It can lead to embarrassment or feelings of failure and disappointment. We might have a complicated relationship with criticism because we see it as a sign of weakness or personal failure due to our circumstances during childhood and the period of growing up. While we can't change our past, it is always possible to unlearn what we were taught and learn it from a fresh new perspective. If we approach it with openness, criticism can also be a constructive force that helps us grow and improve. This is where our meditation practice comes in. As we learn to feel and listen with less labels or judgments, we are also teaching ourselves to become less reactive to our emotions. So when we do receive criticism, we can hear it without getting caught up in our feelings and the stories we weave around them. This creates space for open-mindedness and receptivity, developing acceptance and calm so that we're able to truly hear the point of what's being said. Of course, not all criticism is constructive or warranted. We may encounter people who constantly judge us regardless of our accomplishments, or those who put us down just to build themselves up. In these cases, It's important to use discernment and know that there's no need to take on what they've said. Still, if we are willing to listen calmly, we create enough space to respond in a cool-headed, non-confrontational way instead of aggravating the situation. So the next time you're on the receiving end of criticism, take a few deep breaths, quiet your body and your mind, and listen as openly as you can. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, there is no need to respond right away. Ask for some time to reflect so you have space to acknowledge your feelings, hold them with compassion, and take in what's being said. That way, you can consider it seriously, but not personally. From this clarity, criticism presents an opportunity for growth. Now gently return to your breath. Take a few deep inhales and exhales. And as you relax your breathing once more, bring small movements back into your body. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this practice, and we'll see you again soon.